This book is called What's on the Food Chain Menu, and it's a Julie Lundgren book. It has a white sticker, so let's see what the food chain looks like in the forest. It has a table of contents. We know this is a long information book that the teacher can read. Animal needs. The place an animal lives is its habitat. Habitats contain everything an animal needs to survive. Eastern bluebirds find tasty insects, grubs, and berries to eat in their woodland habitat. Can you see what's in its mouth? Looks like worms to me. Animals need water, nutrients, and safe resting places. They find these non-living things in their habitat. Animals use the habitat's living things for food. So here's a chipmunk. It rests in its burrow. The thirsty moose and her calf drink water. Chain of life. Plants grow. Some animals eat plants. Animals. Some animals eat the plant eaters. A food chain links living things. Mice eat grain, and milk snakes eat mice. Here's his head. He wants to eat the mouse. The mouse has already eaten the grains. Green plants are producers. They use the sun's energy, water, and air to make food for themselves. Plants begin food chains. Plants need the sun's energy to make food. And we knew that, right? The sun, the air, and the water all are what our plants use to make food. Consumers eat other living things. Herbivores eat plants. Carnivores eat other animals or meat. Prepare to lunch on safari. What's on the menu in the African grasslands? Herds of herbivores such as wildebeest and zebras eat different types of leaves and grasses. The herbivores become meals for carnivores like lions and cheetahs. All right, so the lions are trying to eat the wildebeests. And we know that wildebeests eat grass. So that's how it goes. It flows like a chain, all connected. Omnivores are consumers too. They eat both plants and animals. Red foxes are omnivores. They eat fruit, mice, insects, frogs, and rabbits. Hazel, I remember you drew me a red fox. So these can eat everything. They can eat rabbits. They can eat berries. They can eat frogs. Omnivore eats both. Predator, we know that word. It's another name for a carnivore. Predators hunt and eat prey. Fish, seals, and polar bears are all predators in the Arctic. Prepare to lunch in the Arctic. The Arctic's producers are very tiny plants that float in the ocean. Shrimp eat these plants. That's the shrimp. Then fish eat the shrimp, and seals eat the fish. Polar bears eat the seals. Oh my goodness. So the tiny plants that float in the ocean get eaten by the shrimp. The shrimp get eaten by the fish. The fish get eaten by the seals, and the seals get eaten by the polar bears. That's in the Arctic. Finally, a fresh start. When plants and animals die, their bodies break down with the help of decomposers, like bacteria and mold. Animals like earthworms and sow bugs also help break down dead plants and animals. These are sow bugs munching on rotting plants. Yuck! Decomposers turn nature's waste into soil nutrients. Plants use these nutrients to help them grow. Plants can begin the food chain again. Anyone know what this is? You might have seen it in a Mario game. This is called a mushroom. Mushrooms, a type of decomposer, recycle nutrients for new life. Mushrooms don't always have red caps, right? They can have brown caps. They can have tan caps. They can have brown caps or white caps. And that is the end of our What's on the Food Chain menu.